Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. In a car lift used in car wash station, compressed air exerts a force on a small piston that has a circular cross-section of radius 6 centimeters. This pressure is transmitted by a liquid to a piston that has a radius of 16 centimeters. A force of 2.04 times 10 to the power of 3 newtons must be exerted by the compressed air to lift a car weighing 14,500 Newton. What is the pressure produced by this force? So in this question, to solve it, we need to get the formula to calculate the pressure, which is P equals F over A. So here, the force given by the small piston, which is 2.04 times 10 to the power of 3, and we have the radius, which is 6 centimeters. So we need to convert this centimeters to meters. So 6 centimeters equals 0.06 meters. And to get the area, or the cross-sectional area for a piston, which is by r squared, so it would be equal to pi times 0.06 all squared. So let's substitute the values. So we'll get that the pressure equals F, which is 2.04 times 10 to the power of 3 over pi times 0.06 all squared. The answer will be 180.3 times 10 power of 3 Pascal. Let's check the answers. So the right answer here will be this one. It's the same. 180 times 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Thank you.